Hi friends, let's learn vegetables that grow in summer. This is cucumber. Cucumber is green and long. This is okra. It grows in summer season. This is brinjal. It is purple in color. This is pumpkin. It is big and round. This is tomato. This is bottle gourd. It is green and full of water. These are green beans. This is bitter gourd. It is bitter in taste. This is red gourd. There are lines on it. These are drumsticks, thin, long and green. Let's learn the summer vegetables again. Cucumber, okra, brinjal, pumpkin, tomato, bottle gourd, green beans, bitter gourd, red gourd, drumsticks. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel, Kids Learning World.